If you have been using brightening body lotions and yet your dark spots are still very visible, you are still having hyperpigmentation and your skin is not glowing in general, then there might be a problem because you might not have read the proper ingredient that focuses on skin brightening and will also help to fade those dark spots and hyperpigmentation. With me here are 5 affordable and potent brightening body lotions that would help to brighten up your skin this 2026. These are my top 5 brightening body lotions for 2026. You guys asked and I'm here to deliver. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy, the beautiful skin of course. And if today is the very first day you're seeing me on your screen, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Amarachi Favy and over here we talk about everything that has to do with skincare. I focus more on skin brightening, so if you want to brighten up your skin the right and most effective way, then this channel is a channel that you should subscribe to with immediate effect. Okay, we also talk about feminine hygiene and also give you guys girly tips on the day I feel like. Without wasting your time, let's dive into the video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you not just the product, I'm going to be telling you the ingredient that makes this product to work, the reason why I selected them to be my top 5 brightening body lotions of 2025, because I've used a lot of body lotions. For me to narrow them down to these 5, then you should know that these 5 are very potent and effective because of the ingredients that they contain. Okay, and that will lead me to also say that I wrote an ebook. The link will be in the description box. You can feel free to download the ebook, buy it, and know more about your ingredient, because most of you just shop because you saw the hype on social media, or you shop because the product looks attractive, the bottle, the packaging is attractive. That's the reason why you shop. You don't shop because you want to know what is inside, but that ebook will explain in details, okay, the reason why an ingredient will work for this person and will not work for another person. Okay, like I said, the link will be in the description box. The very first body lotion that would help to brighten up your skin this 2026 will have to be from a Nigerian brand that I love so much. Okay, we are doing amazing. We Nigerians, we are trying, and I give it up for this particular brand, Skin by Zaron. You guys remember when I reviewed their body lotion? Okay, I have it currently in my skincare stash, not just as a vendor that is selling, I also use it on my skin myself. This particular body lotion contains vitamin C. It is a brightening and a moisturizing body lotion. It contains vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that helps to brighten up your skin. It also contains alpha-arbutin, which focuses on getting rid of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and discoloration on your skin. It contains collagen, meaning that when you're using the body lotion, your skin will not sag, okay? Rather, it will help to firm your saggy looking skin and just grab it up together so that they will look so, you know, so succulent and attractive. Okay, so it also contains vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that also helps to hydrate your skin, and once your skin is hydrated, your skin will glow up automatically. There is no two ways about it. It also contains kojic acid, which focuses on reducing melanin production on your skin, meaning that you are not going to be producing excessive melanin that will not be making your skin to be looking darker than usual. So this is my number 1 on this brightening body lotion 2026. So the second one that would help to brighten up your skin this 2026 is the Dr. Teal's body lotion. This is the citrus one, okay, that contains citrus, that is vitamin C, and essential oil. It contains cocoa butter, shea butter, and vitamin E, which all this would help to nourish your skin and lock in moisture the proper way. Okay, it actually gives this glow and radiance. Okay, when it comes to skin brightening, this is very effective and very potent. And one thing I like about it is that it is lightweight and it just penetrates immediately into your skin. It sinks into the skin and just gives your skin what your skin has been looking for, especially if you are the type that exfoliates properly. If you exfoliate your skin, there is no how this particular body lotion will not work for you. So the next one I'm going to recommend you have to be from this brand, Advanced Korean. Okay, this is the Advanced Korean Skin Bright and Smooth Body Lotion. Okay, the particular one is very amazing and it is very strong and potent because it contains really strong ingredients that focuses on skin brightening. It contains tranexamic acid, which focuses on fading stubborn hyperpigmentation. So if you are someone that has been struggling with stubborn hyperpigmentation and does not want to leave your skin, then lay your hands on this particular body lotion. It also contains kojic acid, which would help to reduce the melanin production on your skin. It contains azelaic acid. If you are someone that has struggled or is still struggling with body acne marks, okay, the body acne that you had on your skin left acne marks on your skin, that's dark spots, and you have been trying to treat it, then I would recommend that you get this particular body lotion, but get it only when you have treated your body acne. That's the reason why I said if you have body acne marks, okay? It also contains ceramide, meaning that your skin barrier, it is going to be on check. And if your skin barrier has been damaged because of the products that you have used in the past, it is going to restore them to come back to track, okay? I will recommend it for those that have severe hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and uneven skin tone. The next body lotion I'm going to recommend it for you have to be this Face Fact Vitamin C body lotion. If you're an OG, you should know that I've also used the particular one for years. I used this for years before I switched to the Skin by Zaron. The particular one is the Face Fact Vitamin C body lotion that contains vitamin C and betaine, okay? It brightens, tones, and revive your skin. It does not play when it comes to skin brightening. And what I like about it is that it is actually affordable and effective. I would recommend this for beginners to skincare. If you're someone that is a beginner, you are scared, you don't know the one to use, you don't want the one that is going to over brighten your skin, then I'll recommend this for you. And I also recommend it if you are struggling with a dull skin that does not want to glow up, okay? So the last but not the least body lotion I'm going to recommend for you in this video have to be the Nivea Radiant and Beauty body lotion, okay? This one contains vitamin C, 95% pure vitamin C. So they were not kidding. It contains turmeric, which is an anti-inflammatory property that focuses on skin brightening. And one thing I like about it is that it also contains 15% SPF, okay, sun protection factor. It will help to protect your skin from harmful UV ray, but that does not mean you should use it in the morning because it contains vitamin C, of course, okay? It is for all skin types and it is 400 ml, so affordable and so effective, okay? So these are the 5 brightening body lotions that I would recommend for any skin type that wants to brighten up their skin this 2026. I'm going to rank these body lotions now based on the potency, okay, for the one that have worked for me. I will rank it from number 1 to the number 5. I'm not ranking it for you to get the one that I ranked number 1. I'm ranking it for you to know the one that worked so fast in a short period of time for me, in case you don't have patience, because most of you do not have the patience to try out products. So the first position will go to this Advanced Korea. This is very, very effective and super brightening. The second position will go to this Vitamin C from Skin by Zaron, okay? Very, very effective, very, very potent, and super brightening. So the top position will go to the Nivea Radiant Plus Beauty Even Glow, okay? Very, very effective and very, very affordable as well. The fourth position will go to this Face Fact Vitamin C body lotion, very, very effective and also super brightening. The fifth position will go, and the last position will go to this Dr. Teal's. I have used this, you know, back in the days, and it didn't really brighten, but it did, okay? But yeah, it's going to take time, and you're going to need a lot of products to back it up for you to brighten up your skin. So these are my top 5 brightening body lotions that any skin tone can use, any skin type can use, as long as your focus is on brightening up your skin 2026. I bet you if you try these body lotions, you're going to come back to the comment section to thank me later. And if you have watched a particular point of the video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, okay? And leave a comment in the comment section telling me if you use any of these 5 body lotions, and also tell me how they're working for you. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.